Welcome to Jen's Daily Dish. Today we're making cheese popovers. Two incredible things come together into one. Who doesn't love cheese? Who? I love cheese. As for popovers, if you haven't tried them yet, check them out because they are so easy to make and we're going to be adding cheese into them. Yum! Let's get started. I'm also making them because after the baking we've been through, I'll add cheese to popovers just for you. I promise you. I promise? Yeah, because we're just about to do it. Yeah, let's do it. First things first, preheat your oven to a scorching 450 degrees. Second thing you want to do is lightly grease your popover pan or your muffin pan. Muffin pan works fine too. Add warm eggs, lukewarm milk, salt. Beat until thoroughly combined. Add your all-purpose flour. Add your cheese powder. Don't have cheese powder? No problem. Grab the cheese powder from that mac and cheese you might have in your pantry. Works every time. Beat until frothy. Add melted butter. Pour the batter in about 2/3 to 3/4 full. On the bottom rack into the oven for 20 to 25 minutes. Then we're going to lower the temperature. Time to take them out. After the first 20 to 25 minutes, I lower the temperature to 350 degrees. They are nice and brown and done. Yum. Perfection. And we get to eat these right away. But first, let the steam out with a sharp knife. This will help them so that they don't fall quite so much. Look at this perfect popover. It's sturdy, but I bet you it's nice and custardy and eggy inside. Let's find out. Look at that. Oh, yes. See that steam? Fresh from the oven. Smell cheesy, popover-y delicious. Let's take a bite. These are delicious. Are they better than regular popovers? It's hard to say. It's a tie because all popovers are simply delicious. Oh, yes, they are. These are eggy and cheesy and super good. You could serve these with a cheese butter. You could still serve them with any kind of butter. Chive butter, imagine that. Imagine like with a salmon-like butter. Maybe that sounds weird. Whatever. You get my point. You can serve these with so many things and side dishes and they will be gone in an instant. I know they will in my house. If I can make a cheese version of popovers for the very first time with you, watching me every step of the way, you can too. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Check me out on Instagram and send me those recipe requests.